Everybody, let's do a song for Destiny Fair Walk PhD. Let y'all hear the beat. Grind to before we started off. Destiny Fair Walk PhD. Yeah. 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 Let's go. Send the Destiny Forever Walker PhD. I'ma over here to show me you love. Send it yes, I'm a J. I'ma doing my thing and I wanna go and show you love. Saying I don't wanna say your name, but over here to put your name when I'm on a song. Let me hit some points for other people so they can know what is on. Saying Destiny Forever Walker PhD. Do you know she doing fitness? She is a great supporter doing her thing, and yeah, she's getting it in. She's curious about so many the old thing, and she doing her things to grow. Saying I'm over here today, the right now, and you like it when I see your shows. So let's go. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Saying do you know that she is a daredevil and she gonna keep it real. She over there chopping these toes over here. Everybody do you know is ill. Saying it ill to the man and you're doing it with the top and you doing that thing so right. Saying yes, I'm over here the right now and I see you getting it tight. Saying I see you with doing your thing and you love to brag on yourself. And other people's over there now and you saying we like it right there. Saying you love it being yourself but over there cause you wanna keep it real. Cause you is Destiny Forever Walk PhD with your skills. So let's go. Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD from the south. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Oh yeah. Saying the Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. Saying do you know she like to teach you all about your health right now. Just go over there today, the right now. Do you know how she get down? Her color is the black and red, and she just keeping it real. Saying yes, I'm talking about you right now, and yes, I'm doing your skill. Saying thank you for the showing me some love, showing love to the little old J. Saying now I'm over here the right now, just showing love my way. To Destiny Forever Walk the PhD when I'm showing name today. Saying everybody up in the house and you know we got some words to say. So bring it back. Everybody, this is for Destiny Forever Walk PhD. Sometimes y'all gotta talk to the people because they don't understand what's really going on. Because, hey, the Destiny Forever Walk the PhD in the house. The Destiny Forever Walker PhD from the south. The Destiny Forever Walker PhD in the house. The Destiny Forever Walker PhD from the south. Saying now that we done did the awesome, we doing awesome for you. Saying yes, I'm over here to right now. Do you know I'm proud of you? I see you grinding, going through things, but still you do with a smile. Saying yes, I'm over here to today. In a sense, I like your style. So let's go.